Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code 0x80070057 that is occurring on your Windows 10 computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating error message here, guys, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in File Explorer. Best result should come back with File Explorer here. Go ahead and left click on that. Select this PC on the left side, and then right click on your hard drive that you're experiencing the problem. In most cases, it should be the hard drive that Windows is installed on. It should indicate that by a little Windows icon above the hard drive. Go ahead and right click on that and select Properties. Select the Tools tab, and then where it says Error Checking, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Go ahead and select Check. Select Scan Drive. This will take a couple minutes to scan here, so just please be patient. Actually, in our case, it looks like it's going to be a lot quicker, so just be patient regardless. Okay, so once that's done, click on Close. Would suggest restarting your computer, and then once your computer's restarted, open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with Command Prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.